Do you know that parrots are not just great mimics, but also incredibly intelligent? Some, like the African grey parrot, can understand words, recognize objects, and even ask questions, like Alex the parrot, who once asked, "What color am I?" when shown a mirror. Parrots can also live over 80 years, making them lifelong companions. They're one of the few animals that can dance to music and keep the beat, as seen with Snowball the cockatoo. But sadly, many wild parrots face extinction due to illegal pet trade and habitat destruction. With their problem-solving skills, emotional bonds, and ability to communicate, parrots are truly among the smartest animals on Earth.